Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Smart Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Baburao from Hyderabad. So first of all, an advice to you, if you want to learn this Tally Prime, GST, TDS, TCS, everything perfectly and get very good knowledge, that is perfect expert knowledge, and become expert accountants, please follow and practice all the videos uploaded in my channel in the same serial wise order. Then only you will get a good knowledge, and you have to practice many number of times. Then you'll get a very good knowledge and become a very good accountant. And then everyone, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are not already done, only once you can subscribe. Okay. And then click the bell icon and select the all option. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And then please share this channel, my channel Smart Tally Prime, with all your friends or anyone who want to learn all these subjects. You please share with them. Then every video, please watch till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, in the later part, the actual practical work done on Tally Prime, you will miss and you cannot understand. So watch every video till the end. And after watching, if the video is good, you please like my video. And then in the bottom, in the comment section, without fail, please post your comment about the video. And then now we will enter into our topic. Today our topic is Today our topic is actually this topic and next topic also. These topics are missed actually when we discussed about the purchase and sales regarding. We have to discuss this. This I missed that time. So now I am doing them. Number one is, first one, there are two topics. Okay. This is the quotation and proforma invoice. Then order processing, purchase and sale order processing, that we will take up later. So here, first of all, what is meant by quotation, how to prepare quotation, what is the use of quotation, and how to prepare quotation in Tally Prime, and how to prepare tax invoice, sales invoice called tax invoice from the quotation. And then next one is how to prepare what is meant by proforma invoice, and how to prepare the proforma invoice in Tally Prime, and then how to prepare the tax invoice from the proforma invoice. So first of all, we will take up quotation. Here, see, this quotation is completely different from, it is looks like invoice only, but it is completely different from invoice. You see, any person who, that is any buyer who want to buy some material, some goods in the market, he will inquire in the market, he will contact many traders, and he will take the details regarding the goods, that is the quantity he requires, the quantity required, and what is the rate, and what are the other payment and delivery, other terms and conditions. All these will be inquired from different people by taking a written document. That is written document. That written document is called as quotation, mentioning the value of the goods, that is rate, total value, and taxes, and then what are other conditions like payment conditions, delivery conditions, and all these terms and conditions. So that will be taken by written document. They will take that written document is called quotation. So if anybody want some quotation from us, so how you make, generally in the letterhead we will type, or we will do something, we will type the quotation and we will give that. But without that, directly in the Tally Prime itself, we can prepare the quotation. Okay, so now we will go to Tally Prime, how to make the quotation, and then how to configure the quotation, and how, if the quotation is accepted by the buyer, and if you want the goods, to buy the goods, and how to prepare the tax invoice from the quotation. So we will go to Tally Prime. Here I prepared the quotation and proforma invoice. I already created this company, And already, we know already how to prepare, create the ledger accounts like sales, purchases, sales, party accounts, CGST, HGST, and then in the inventory masters, how to create the goods, what you call inventory masters. All this we have already learned. So I already created them. Now we'll go we'll see how the quotation is prepared. You see here, anything is to be done in vouchers. So we will go to the voucher, and then here, 1 minute, I will tell you, I will show you. I will show you. That's why I'm in this detailing that. So first of all, we have to go to vouchers, and then for preparing the quotation, it is related to the sales only. We have to go to the sales order. Sales order, for making the quotation, we have to go to sales order. For making the proforma invoice, we have to go to sales voucher. Now we will go to this sales order voucher, but where is the voucher? So go to F10, and all these are active vouchers are available now, and we will go to inactive, show inactive. We will go to order vouchers, say here sales order, that is required. Control F8. F8 is sales order is control F8. So if you click that, you will get that. You need to activate the sales order voucher. Do you want to activate now? Click yes. So if you click yes, so we will get the sales order. We will get the sales order. So you take the date, that is on 1st April, I am taking sales order, and this is the sales order is giving that is the different order. Okay. So from this sales order, we have to prepare that quotation. For that purpose, what we have to do is we have to go to on the right menu bar, there is Control L called optional. So click Control L in the keyboard or click optional there. If you click that, in the middle, status optional. That means in this voucher, optional means you are creating another voucher. That is called optional. So take this optional, and now go to the party. For example, we are selling to Ramana Electronics. So take the party, Ramana Electronics. If you go, and here, so here, after the party, here, directly the party details are coming. So before that, what you have to do is, we have to go to this F12, dispatch order and details, we have to make yes. If you make yes and accept that, then after the name, we will get the order details. That is the terms of payment and other terms. So terms of payment, see here, 15 days credit, 15 days credit, or 50% in the beginning, or 50% balance after some time, like that. 50%, 50 days credit. Other references, how you give the order, how we are asking this. That is, we are asking for quotation. You talked on the telephone, or you sent a letter. For example, telephonic discussion or telephonic conversation. Okay, discussion, telephonic discussion, and terms of delivery, how you will deliver. So immediately you will deliver, or after some time. For example, 10 days after order. After giving order, within 10 days we will supply. Then if you enter that, another line is coming. So if there are some more conditions also. For example, we may supply this free to his place. That is free delivery we can give. Or sometimes we will deliver at our place, they have to take them. So see, delivery from showroom. Delivery from showroom or free delivery. Free delivery means we will deliver the goods at their place. So you take up delivery from showroom or shop, from showroom. So if still there is some condition, we can keep that and then enter. So party details, accept. Okay. And now this is order number. It is related to sales order, not related to this one. So leave it as it is. And then These all related to sales, but it will not affect the sales. You have to take the sales account, but it will not show in the sales account. And now take the goods. Here, for example, Godrej 1 ton AC. So here also due on, that is related to sales order only. So leave it as it is, and then take two quantity, and then then rate it is around 30,000, for example, 30,000. So total is 60,000. So leave this. Now another one, for example, LG TV, LG this one. So leave that. This also two quantity, LG AC machine, two quantity, and 32,000, for example, 32,000, 64,000. Okay. After that, come down, and here you have to give the rate of tax. Before that, suppose if you are giving any discount, discount in the sense, this discount can be given in two ways. So providing a separate discount column and giving some percentage for each item, or without giving the column here, you can give the percentage or amount here after below every item, you may give the percentage or amount. Here you can give only percentage. If the column means only percentage, here you can give either percentage or amount also you can give. Or on the total of the bill, that is the quotation, total amount, we may give the discount. So here if you give our discount, it is called as, if it is given here on the total, it is given as discount on sale of goods. So this discount, how to give the discount, either column or separate from in below the stock item, or separately on the total. This is given in, so before this, video number 79. See video number 79. In that video number 79, you can learn about the discount. For example, you are giving some percentage you may give, or direct amount you may give. Suppose you are giving, you have to give minus symbol, minus 2%. Suppose if you give, automatically to calculate with minus symbol. Or without giving the percent, directly you can give amount, then also you give minus, for example, 2,500, minus 2,500. Either that or minus 2% or 2.5%, like that also you can give, it automatically calculate. So this is the discount if you are giving any discount. For example, there are any additional charges, additional expenses like freight, packing insurance charges or packing charges, that also you invoice. See video number 80, 79 discount, video number 80 additional expenses, regarding many additional expenses. You can see that video. So 79 and 80, see the videos. Okay. So here, freight on sale of goods. For example, generally freight will be an amount, it will not be a percentage. For example, freight is 500 rupees. Okay. And then suppose any packing charges are there. So packing charges, suppose you are taking 250 packing charges, whatever the expenses may be. And after that, you have to use it, because we are giving GST at the end, because that will include, the total amount will include minus discount plus the taxes on the total amount, the tax will be calculated. And then GST. If it is, the party is from another state, so it will be IGST. So like this, we have to. And here one more thing is, here in the narration, we can give one narration also. In this case, see here, we are giving the quotation, but it is not valid forever. This quotation will be added for some time. So you can give this quotation is valid for 30 days, for example, 30 days from the date of issue. That is from the date when this is issued. From 1st April, it is valid for 30 days. After that, the rates and conditions, rates may change. So that also we can give. Okay, like this. And this is the thing, we prepared that. Now, this quotation is to be sent to him, that is to the buyer. So how we will print that? Now you have to see, go up. That is, go up means go to page up. Go to page up. Here, see here, the same thing is open now. Now go to print. Control P. Go to Control P and I is preview. So see, go to preview, see F4. See F4. F4 already. In this case, here, in this case, 1 minute, I will tell you something. I will remove that and then I will tell you. Underlying details and then contact details. No. Okay. And narration. No. Okay. Here, if you see, if you go to this one, here. So this is more than a page. So it is going to another page. And here, bill to, ship to, both are coming. One is enough for the quotation. Bill to, ship to is not required. And here in the bottom, it is not showing. What is that you have to call the thing what you should know. What you call the narration. We give the validity of the quotation. They are not shown. So you have to remove all this. So for that, you have to go to configure. See here, consignee. So see here, consignee details. It is yes. You just enter, it will become no. So make it no. Then, and then the thing is narration. It is showing no. Give it as yes. Narration. And bank details not necessary now. Bank details in universal. So like this, accept this, then go to preview. So here, go to preview and F4 is the zoom. So here, so you can see everything is given as quotation. So that is sales order. Optional means it is quotation and bill to is there, ship to is removed and all the conditions and everything are shown. All the conditions and everything. And here narration, this quotation is valid for 30 days from the date of issue. So everything is given. So here in the configuration, you have to make consignee details, contact details, consignee details, contact details, and contact details are given here. I have taken and consignee details, and then you can take contact details also. Make yes. So all the contact details, our contact details, and the party contact details will be given so that we can make this. We can make conversation. We can talk in the phone, and they can have contacts with each other. Like this, we have to do. And this is to be printed. Now, if you go to print, it will be printed and it will be sent to the party. Okay, it will be sent to the buyer. So quotation is given. And suppose if the party sees, he feels that our quotation is reasonable, it is good. So then he will give the order to us. He will ask us to supply the goods. Then we will supply them the goods. So when you supply the goods, we have to, when you are supplying or delivering the goods, we have to send invoice. That is sales invoice. We call it as sales bill. That is tax invoice, sales bill, sales invoice are same. So we have to give the tax invoice or sales invoice to the party. So for that, you have to prepare the sales invoice. You see now here, we have given quotation. We have given quotation here. In the quotation, nothing is shown. So we are showing the delivery of, we are showing the goods, but the goods are not shown. So stock summary, stock items, stock balance, as well as value, that it will not affect because it's only a quotation. And now, if you make the sale, then it will affect. So now we have to make the sale invoice. So we need not prepare a separate sale invoice. The quotation itself can be converted into quotation, sales invoice. How to do that? So now here, so go to, click, go to, and then here you place here it is optional vouchers. No, we made optional vouchers. See here, voucher reports, go to optional vouchers. Click that. See our optional voucher, which is a sales order. It is a sales order only. When it is printed, it is taken as, it is an optional voucher. It is sales order in the optional voucher. It is taking as, it is printing as quotation. So now you click this. Now here, so we are making the sales order. We are making the sales. That means sales invoice. So what we have to do, we have to click the sales F8. So it has become sales invoice. And what is the date? For example, we are giving on 2nd April. And this is sales invoice. It is not optional. So to omit this, so click this again. So first we click it optional. Now it is regular, becoming a regular invoice. So click this. So this optional will disappear and everything is done. Okay. So here, when you are clicking this, order details are not coming. So go back. That is, go to back button. You backspace, you click. Now go to this one. See here, provide order details. So make it yes. Provide order. First of all, it was done there. Now here separate provide order details are there. Make order details. Accept. So after clicking this, so order details are coming. Here dispatch details and order details. In the dispatch, how we are sending the goods. If you are giving any delivery challan, note, and all the how we are sending through transport, destination, and the number of the lorry receipt given and vehicle number, everything. If you have the details, you can give. And here you can change the 15 days credit means. So we can keep it as it is because we are given 15 days credit. We can give telephone conversation is limit and terms of delivery we are giving now. So immediately we are delivering now, and delivery from our showroom. Okay, that's a condition. So if you want to make any changes, you can make changes and then accept this sales and all these goods. And here this order number is related to sales order. This is invoice. For this invoice, it is not required. So we take it as not applicable. Not applicable, we are giving. And then next one, here also not applicable, next item. And then all this discount, everything is given. So everything will be as it is. It will take as it is. And then here, accept this. So accept this. Now here, this is quotation is valid. This is not quotation. So escape, you click escape, that will go because that is not required. It's not a quotation, it is invoice. So you can do, or if you want to give some other narration, you can give the narration. Okay. And it is accepted. And now you see, now if you go to sales vouchers, you see sales. See sales vouchers. If you go to sales voucher, see sales voucher we have gone. We have gone to sales voucher, and now you see the stock report. See the stock summary. See here, we sold 2 AC machines. See, Godrej AC 2 numbers and LG AC also 2 numbers. So it is affecting the stock. There is amount. So if there is already stock existing, that will show the amount also. And if you see the balance sheet also and profit and loss account, so it is showing, see, sales. It is showing sales to Ramana Electronics sales. It is showing the sales. So it is showing sales and is affecting sales because it is sales invoice. So this is how we make the quotation, give them. If they want, if they accept that, and if they order for the goods, then we will convert that sales quotation into sales invoice, and we will sell the goods, deliver the goods. Along with the goods, we will deliver the sales invoice also. This is about the quotation. The next item is here, how to prepare the proforma invoice in Tally Prime and how to prepare the invoice from the proforma invoice. Since what is meant by proforma invoice? See, when generally we issue the invoice on delivery of the goods, and when you are delivering the goods, we will issue the invoice. But sometimes some people, if they want invoice before the delivery, so how can we give the invoice before the delivery? If we give the invoice, it will affect our stock values, everything. So we cannot give that. For that purpose, what we do is we give a dummy copy of the invoice. It is to say just same as invoice, but it is only a dummy copy. It will not affect our books. So we'll give a dummy copy for that purpose, before sale of goods, before delivering the goods, we give the dummy copy of the invoice. It is called proforma invoice. Sometimes we require the buyer to make total advance payment. Then we will deliver the goods. In such a case, how can you pay without knowing the exact amount? So for that purpose, he will ask us the quotation, exact amount. They will ask us the proforma invoice. So we will give the proforma invoice. On the basis of proforma invoice, he will make the payment. Then we will deliver the goods and issue the original invoice. Sometimes the buyer, they will take loan from banks or some other financial institutions for purchasing the goods. Goods or any asset. An asset also. In such a case, the financial institution or bank, they will not give the loan without invoice. So we will not give the invoice without delivering the goods. For that purpose, what we do is we give this is dummy copy. We give the proforma invoice to the person. So he will submit to the bank. The bank will take it as invoice. The bank will make the payment. They will give the loan, and the amount will be paid to us, to the supplier directly. So on receiving the payment, the supplier will deliver the goods. So this is what happened. So how to make or how to prepare the proforma invoice and how to prepare sales invoice, that is original invoice, from the proforma invoice. So for this purpose also, we will go to show. Nana. Show. Video is recording. Close. So here we will go to the vouchers. Now here, for preparing the proforma invoice, we have to go to the sales invoice. So with the help of sales order, we make the quotation. But for making the proforma, it is just like it is a dummy copy of the sales invoice. That is why we will go to the sales. So click F8 for sales. Click F8 for sales. And then it is going to the sales and give the date. For example, 1st May we are giving. 1st May we are giving. And here also, so the sales invoice is not issued now. It is making as sales, called proforma invoice. That is why we have to go to the sidebar, side menu bar, go to L, Control L. Control L means optional. So it will show status optional. Optional means we are making some other voucher from this voucher. So make it optional. Then give the party's name. So here, see, I'll give another Venkata Durga Computer House. They are giving another name. And here also, so details are available. If the details are, order details are not available, go to F12, then give order dispatch details, make them yes. Then you will get the details. So here, these dispatch details are not required for us now, this one. So how the terms of payment? See here, advance. Advance, they have to make the payment in advance, then we will supply. And then here, we call as this one you can give, that's not required. Terms of delivery. So against payment and any other terms, whatever it may be, we can give the terms and accept them, then accept this name, and then sales, then goods we are giving. For example, Dell laptops. Here, so it is automatically, it is taking for sales, it is automatically not applicable. So here, 2 numbers, laptops, 20,000 for example. So 20,000 is 40,000. And then another one, we are giving some Samsung TV, 30 inches. So not applicable. Here also 2. It is, for example, 22,000. So 22,000, so 44,000 totally. So we are giving. And then similarly here also, if you are giving any discount, so that also no, see video number 79 and 80, discount and additional expenses. So discount on sales, here we will give directly minus 2,500. Minus we are giving, without giving percentage. Okay. And expenses will be packing charges. Packing charges, for example, 250 rupees packing charges. Then freight you are giving. Freight is around 200 rupees. Okay. So these two we are giving. And then we'll give CGST, SGST. Okay. So this is accepted. So this is to be accepted. Okay. After accepting this, then go to the, again, now go to this page, this what you call quotation, this one. You go to this voucher. So go to, and here you can say optional vouchers. Go to optional vouchers. Take this. Here it is showing April. Take May. So take May month. So May month it is taking. Or it will give F12. Yeah. Control F12. Go to Control F12. So May to May. If you give all the quotations, I mean, Proforma Invoice in the May. So this is Venkatadurga Computer House. So this is the Proforma Invoice we sent them. Okay. Now sales invoice, it is okay. Keep as it is. Give the date. For example, 2nd May. And this is optional, means it is Proforma Invoice. Now remove that. Make it regular. So click regular. So that is gone. Now it has become regular invoice. Now you come here. When now we are selling and delivering the goods. So to give, if you have any delivery note, so give the delivery note number, then dispatch through transport, destination, which place you are sending, and carrier. What is the name of the carrier? Navata Transport or SRMT or Kranti Transport, etc. And then the number, the bill number, the transport people, they will give LR. So LR number, then motor vehicle number if is given there. And here already payment received. So against payment received, because we receive the payment, then only we are giving against the received payment, and other transport, other reference not there. And here terms of delivery immediate, because we have received the payment immediate. That's all. Like that you will give and accept, and then sales. And here sales. Here everything will be there. Same thing will be there. All these things. Okay. No other conditions. The conditions can be changed, but in this invoice, you cannot change anything. In the quotation, the rates or prices, anything can change. We can change. When we are selling, we can change. But here, the dummy gap you have given, the same thing. So you have to give the invoice as it is without any changes. So here, the number, and if you give, you can write any quotation here. And in this case, I will go to that. And in this case, when you are printing this, here, when you are printing, this is accepted. Okay. And then this is when you are going to print this. So go to page up, page. Go to page up. Okay. Page up. Go to print page and see here, preview. F4, this one. F4 is a zoom. So everything is there. And here, if you want to give our bank detail, because we are giving the invoice to them and not this one, that Proforma invoice itself we have to give. So if you want to give the bank details, see here, already in the Proforma invoice you can give. So go to here, configure, here, bank. So bank details. So bank details, you make yes. Bank details, yes. Then bank name, by default it will take our name, our bank name, and then bank holder, I mean account holder means our name is the account holder. So yes, we will give and accept this. And now go to preview. So here it will show the, go to F4. So here the bank details are given. But here we need not give the bank details here, or you can give here. And in the Proforma invoice also, you can give the bank details by going to the configure page. Is there in the top. You can have bank details. If you give, it will ask you. So bank details, yes, if you make, and it will ask the default name. Yes, if you give, it will take the bank details. And then account holder's name is, our name is account holder. If you give yes, automatically take. These details will be taken only if the details are given in our ledger creation. When you are creating the bank ledger, if all the details are given, those details will be shown here. Okay. So we will take the printout, sign this, and send it to the party. Okay. So with this, the sale is complete. So So sales order, optional, it will be quotation. Sales invoice, sales voucher optional, it will be proforma invoice. Both can be converted into sales invoice by clicking F8. It will become sales. And in the case of quotation, when I'm converting into say invoice, we can make any changes in the rates as well as in the conditions also. But in the case of proforma invoice, it's a dummy copy like. That's why we should not change anything except the conditions we can change. Advance payment required. Now, against payment we are delivering. So against payment, that is against payment received, we are giving the payment. I mean delivery. And delivery when we are giving immediate delivery, because already in the beginning we say 15 days. Now we are giving immediate delivery, or after 12 days like that we can give. Okay. So the conditions we can change, but the main other rates and other things we should not make any changes. And that will be sent to him with the goods, along with the goods. Delivering the goods, along with the delivery of goods, we have to give the invoice also. Okay. As per the present GST Act, the movement of goods, that is when your goods are moved from one place to another place, when the goods are going, that is when the goods are sold, definitely the goods must accompany the invoice. It is previously, even without invoice, we can send the goods on the basis of, with the help of the delivery challan. We can send the delivery note, it's okay. But now, even if you give the delivery note, it's not compulsory, it is optional. If you want, you can give, otherwise no. But invoice is compulsory. Okay, we have to send the invoice with the goods when you are giving the delivery. Okay, so with this, today's topic is complete. And now, I hope you understood. And if you want this one, you can see the video again also, but you have to practice, give some different names, different products, different material, different goods, and different names you give. You practice this twice or thrice. If you practice it, then only you will get the subject very well. So I wish all will get a good knowledge by practicing these videos and become good accountants, and wish you all the best, and we'll meet in the next video. Next video also relating to this only, missed only. This is one item missed, and another item is also missed. That also will take up the next video. Thank you. Bye.